we're seeing a lot where if you're trying to get cyber liability insurance for your company, that the insurance company is requiring a lot of these security tools, policies, and procedures that are implemented into your IT services and network. So at that point, they're going to ask us, well, they're going to ask the client, the company that we're working with, and then they're going to send this document over to us to say, hey, look, are these things that the insurance company requires, are they implemented and not implemented in being used? And at that point, we can visually check, just that one time, and of course we can go through it, but it's a good idea to have these risk assessments done on a regular basis. Things change over the year, and technicians will make changes. The client will ask for changes, whatever those might be, and it's very easy to change something on accident, to leave something open, maybe temporarily while you're troubleshooting something, to disable a service. Maybe you add a new server and you forget to add the backup to it. So having these periodic checks will really help us make sure that things are going properly. But of course, the client is ultimately responsible for their own network. At the end of the day, it's their data, so they need to be willing to want to do this as well. I mean, we've run into scenarios where we've offered these services like another check, and they're like, no, I don't want to pay for that. And so at that point, you're like, okay, well, we'll hope everything's good. But it's really a great idea to do that regularly.